in today's video, I'm going to talk about a mental trick that has taken me from poor to rich. This simple shift in mindset is something that can help you be successful in life and achieve all of your goals as well. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Brian and today I'm going to talk about how to be rich and successful. A lot of people think that this is something that is reserved for a lucky few, but I'm here to tell you that this isn't the case. You have the power to create the life you want if you just know how to use it. And that's what I want to show you today. So hit that like button real quick and let's get on with the video. When I was younger, I never thought I had what it took to be rich and successful in life. I was born into a poor family and had no real resources at my disposal. This meant that I had no way to attend school or get a job and even start a business. I felt helpless and unable to make the changes in my life that I wanted so desperately. This all changed, however, when I discovered a mental trick that would allow me to become rich and successful in life. This mental trick is all about retraining your mind to think positively and differently about money. It is not just about having an abundance mentality, it's also about understanding how money works and how you can use it to your advantage. This means learning about investments, savings, budgeting, taxes, and other financial matters. This part of the mental trick took me a bit longer to figure out since I had no knowledge about these topics. Once I put in the hard work though, I started to see amazing results. The first step is to identify your core values and build your financial mission statement around them. When you understand what matters most to you, you can start to use that as the foundation for creating a plan for success. This will help guide you when making financial decisions and ensure that whatever actions you take are aligned with what's important in life. Next, it is important to develop a budget based on your income and expenses so that you have a clear picture of where your money goes each month. By tracking your spending, you will be able to identify areas where you can cut back or make other changes in order to free up more cash flow for investing or saving up for bigger purchases. Another key part of learning how to be rich and successful is learning the basics of investing. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or risky if you understand the fundamentals and do your research before putting any money into the stock market or mutual fund. Start small by investing in low-risk products such as index funds and then gradually increase the amount of money being invested over time as your knowledge grows. Finally, don't forget the power of compounding interest when it comes to building wealth over time. Compounding interest means earning interest on the interest earned previously, allowing return rates on investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. This will amplify over time exponentially rather than linearly. So start early. Investing small amounts regularly over time will not only help grow your wealth but also lead to financial freedom down the road. In conclusion, following these steps has allowed me to make my dream of becoming rich come true. With hard work, dedication, discipline, planning, and an open mindset towards money, anyone can achieve financial independence. This is because you are in control of your own finances and can use the strategies mentioned above to start building wealth and achieving your goals. So good luck, and if you made it until the end of the video, make sure you hit that like button to show your support. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already and ring that notification bell as well to be notified with each new interesting videos just like this one. Good luck in your financial journey ahead and thank you for watching.